Welcome to the Miriam Foundation. In these 4 videos, you'll get the chance to see the groundbreaking study into autism spectrum disorders, or ASDs, and intellectual disabilities that we undertook in collaboration with McKinsey & Company. You will also see the bold strategy that we envision for the future. With a focus on understanding the needs of those touched by ASDs and intellectual disabilities, and the current gaps in service, we created one of the most comprehensive studies on the topic completed in Quebec and Canada to date. But first, let me tell you a bit about us. The Miriam Foundation, based in Montreal, Quebec, was founded in 1973, and its mission is to help children and adults with an ASD and/or an intellectual disability lead fulfilling lives. Since our inception, we have been involved in a wide range of activities that include funding programs that help increase independence and quality of life for children and adults with an ASD and/or an intellectual disability, supporting recreation and leisure activities, empowering individuals to develop new skills and competencies, and providing direct funding and support to their families, bringing people touched by ASD or intellectual disabilities together, as it's our belief that in doing so, we can advocate for better care and services for them. Creating a task force that led to the adoption of Bill 21 in the province of Quebec, allowing psychologists to assess and diagnose autism. This bill has facilitated access by families to a broader range of health professionals who can assist them in clinical assessments. Enabling the creation of a best practices document for doctors and patients. Supporting higher education programs through the funding of a postdoctoral fellowship in developmental psychology at McGill University's Faculty of Education. The Miriam Foundation also supports other exemplary organizations, all aimed at helping children and adults with ASDs, intellectual disabilities, and global developmental delays, as well as their families. Here are some of the amazing organizations we support. Miriam Home and Services is one of Quebec's leading public organizations, providing early intervention, rehabilitation and residential services, as well as community and work integration for children and adults with ASDs and intellectual disabilities. The Gold Learning Center is a not-for-profit center that offers direct services to children and adults, and education and training to professionals, paraprofessionals, and family members. It also supports specialized research focused on improving diagnosis, treatment, and interventions. The Lou Greenberg Miriam Association is a charitable organization that purchases and maintains community homes adapted to meet the ever-changing needs of adult residents living with ASDs and intellectual disabilities. These homes enable residents to live fulfilling lives in a caring and supportive environment. The association also manages the Lori Black Community Center that serves as the head office for Miriam Home and Services and as a hub for its day and evening client programs. As you can see, the Miriam Foundation strives to contribute to the best possible care and support to individuals and their families affected by ASDs or intellectual disabilities across their lifespans.